Okay, I'm here with my meter and power supply attached to the track, hot, common. And what I'm going to do is pretend I'm the common here, and I'm going to touch the lead off of a wheel that is isolated or insulated, okay? And right now I'm showing 1.2 volts. Oh, that's because the handle's up. So there's a little bit of volts going through it. Okay, I'm going to put the handle down, and my meter over there is showing me approximately 12 volts. So let's see if I touch here and here, if I can keep my probes going. Can you see that 12 volts? Maybe. All right, so I'm going to change, and I'm going to touch the front truck, touch the common in the front truck, common there. If I can stay on it. If I'm on it, not on it. 12 volts. So this shows us that this truck is hot. This truck is hot. We know these trucks are hot because they're attached to the frame, the chassis, through the axle. These are isolated or insulated axles, so these wheels are independent of all the voltage coming through this side. So any voltage this little wheel hits is only on the wheel, and that's why we have this wire coming over. This copper wire is rubbing on the inside of the wheel, then going to that screw, and this gives us a little spring-like loop. Same way over here, a little spring-like loop. So what we're going to do is we're going to solder our leads here and here, tie them together and take them up, and we're going to have pickup on these four wheels. So if any one of these wheels is on a live rail, say there's a break or dirt, the engine will get consistent voltage. That's the whole idea with this. So now I'm going to assemble this truck onto my single drive diesel Alco with the new AC converted to DC motor, and we'll see if the combination of all-wheel drive and the DC motor operate on the rails. That's the experiment today. Okay.